Hi gentlemen, Mr. Novak here with another useful hint on how to use your graphics calculator. Most powerful tool. The more you know this machine, the better it is. And it is just a machine. So let's look at this one here. We're all familiar with graph. And of course, we're doing the section on midpoints and lengths of line segments. So rather than drawing graph, we're just going to simply go to menu and we're doing some geometry work. We're going to go down to points, and here you can see that we have a segment. In other words, don't go for line because that's undefined. You'll use 2 points to define the direction of the line. But we want a segment which has a start and a finish. So clicking on there, and we now can place that on any coordinate. So if, let's say they tell us that it's 1, 2, so there's the point there, and they want the other one at let's see, comma 5, 1, 5, comma -1, 3, 4, 5, -1, and there's your line segment. And if you want the actual coordinates of those points, remember it's simply menu 1, 8. Okay, 1, 8, and you simply go to that point. There's that, and there's that. Double click. First click to highlight which point you want, and then scroll over, second click to where. So we would use those to average of 1 and 5 is 6. The average of 2 and -1 is a half. Let's see if we can get a midpoint. For that, we just simply go to menu. Again, we go to geometry, but this time we're doing measurement. Nothing there. What about construction? Ah, yeah, there we are. We want to construct a midpoint. So simply go there and identify the line segment. Click on that, and there's the point identified. And again, you just need to maybe tab. Let's see if that tab. No, menu 1, 8 again. Sorry about that. Click on that, and there you are. The average of 1 and 5 is 3. The average of 2 and -1 is 0.5. And of course, the other thing is looking at the length of the line. Of course, you need to simply go geometry, and this one was simply a measurement, which in this case is length. Click on there, and it's 5 units. And as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3 across that way. The difference in the y coordinates is 3. 2 take away -1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. And the difference in the x coordinate is 4. 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5 units. Good old 3, 4, 5 triangle. So that's how we use our graphic calculators to do simple length of segments and midpoints of segments. Uh, Hope that helps.